I just bought this 15-foot ocean kayak. It's a used one. It's being used a lot, but it's in good shape. And I want to show you, I want to renew all the little parts. I already removed the handles from here, from over there, there. I'm going to be working on it. But I just want to show you a quick trick how to renew plastics. Show you right now. Because I was doing the handles. Took the handles off because they're all like this. The plastic is supposed to be black, but when it's all toasted from the sun, you can see it's like sandy and it's brittle. Still good, strong, but look how I put it. Just with a simple step. Simple step is this. I'm gonna show you right here. Take a torch. Start it up. Turn it down. Turn it down. Now you're gonna take your piece that is all brittle from the sun or toasted. Look at this. Turn off itself. So look at this. And keep going. You just heat it up so it doesn't bend. Just melt the outer layer, the sandy outer layer of it. So let it cool off a little bit so you can grab it from the other side to finish on this side. Isn't that great? Look at the final result. That was just like the other one. I did the same for the cap, but the cap was white, dirty, so I decided to paint it. I don't know if it's gonna last or whatever, but I may just put it back and then apply a silicone or urethane layer on top because this is metallic paint and I don't know how it's gonna behave on salt water. So now that this is cooled off a little bit, it's still a little warm, but look, you remember? I can scratch this. Look, you see that? That's plastic loose from the sun toasting it. So now I go. Became brand new. This is one that I did before, and now if I scratch it with my nail, it doesn't scratch. It just melts back the plastic that it was kind of sandy. Beautiful. So this goes like this. It's gonna look beautiful with the metallic. I hope it holds. See that? It's gonna look beautiful.